You work hard every month but still can't seem to save any money. I'm here to tell you the problem probably isn't your salary, it's your mindset. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how rich people save money and reveal the one huge mistake that the middle class keeps repeating, generation after generation. Let's dive right into the biggest mistake most middle-class people make. They follow a very simple but very dangerous rule. Spend first and then save whatever is left over at the end of the month. Does this sound familiar? Your salary comes in and immediately the money starts flying out. You pay your rent or mortgage, your car payment, utility bills, and then there's grocery shopping, maybe a new pair of shoes, your streaming subscriptions, and a few dinners out with friends. Before you know it, you check your bank account at the end of the month and think, wow, where did all the money go? I guess there's nothing left to save this time. I'll try again next month. Fear. This single habit is the financial trap that keeps people stuck in the same place for years, sometimes even for their entire lives. It's a cycle of earning and spending that makes it almost impossible to get ahead. Now, let's look at how rich people do it completely differently. They operate on a principle that is just as simple, but infinitely more powerful. Save first and spend what's left. The moment their income hits their account, the very first thing they do is move a portion of it into savings or investments. They automate this process so it happens without them even thinking about it. Crucially, they keep these savings out of easy reach, often in a separate account that they don't touch for daily expenses. Only after their savings goal is met do they look at the remaining money and figure out how to live on that. This isn't about having a massive income, it's about discipline. This is the core reason why the rich keep getting richer and their wealth continues to grow. Even if their starting income isn't extraordinarily high, they prioritize building their future. So, what's really going on in their heads? Let's break down 3 key differences in thinking. First, the middle-class mindset often says, I'll start saving when I earn more money. Once I get that promotion, I'll put money aside. This is a trap because as income grows, lifestyles often expand to match it. The rich person's thinking is, I will control my spending now so I can grow my wealth. They focus on what they can control today, which is their expenses. Second, when faced with a purchase, the middle-class person often thinks, I can afford this. They look at their bank balance or credit limit and see that they have the capacity to buy it. The rich person asks a different question. Do I actually need this, or am I just trying to show off or keep up with others? They separate needs from wants and are far less concerned with external validation. They understand that looking rich and being rich are 2 very different things. And third, let's talk about debt. The middle-class mindset often sees loans as a normal part of life: car loans, personal loans, credit card debt. It's just how things are done. The rich view debt very differently. For them, debt is only acceptable if it's good debt, meaning a loan that is used to buy an asset that will generate more money in the future, like a business investment or a rental property. They avoid consumer debt like the plague because they know it just makes someone else rich. So, how can you start applying this today? You don't need a 6-figure salary to begin. Start with this one simple rule: pay yourself first. The very next time you get paid, before you do anything else, commit to saving at least 10% of your income. Yes, even if it's just a small amount to start. Put that money into a separate savings account that you won't be tempted to dip into. Every time you do this, tell yourself, I am paying myself first. I am prioritizing my future. A small amount of savings might not look powerful at first, but it's the habit that will truly change your life. Building the discipline to save consistently is what lays the foundation for financial freedom. This video won't make you rich overnight, but it will give you the right mindset and the solid foundation you need to start your journey. If this felt real and honest to you, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel. And for more simple, practical money advice, make sure you subscribe. I'd love to hear from you in the comments, so if you're ready to make a change, just type, I'm starting to save today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.